Hello everyone, my name is Loeto Ronald Kenosi. I'm here at the Gemstone auditions, and the reason I deserve to go to Hollywood is that basically I just enjoy doing this. This is my life. This is all I know. Has more meaning to me than anything else. So it's a chance for me to just showcase and just show to you that yes, indeed, Africa has talent, and I'm that talent that you're looking for. So I am what I am, and what I am is what you're looking for. So vote for me. Go to the website and make sure that you follow up on my progress as the stages progress. All right. Sometimes you gotta say what the flip. Make your move. What the flip, you just have to say that over and over once in a while, and just what the flip gives you freedom, and freedom brings opportunity. Opportunity is what makes your future. In an economy where the main ingredients are profit motive, competition, and free enterprise, if you are to do something, you have to say it, then that's only when you can do it. As an entrepreneur, your roots need to be augmented. And by augmented, I mean you have to do what you have to do. You have to get what you can, when you can, and while you can. And just make sure that you position yourself wisely in this world. There are 4 kinds of people in this world, basically. There are the people who always want to be right, and there are those who always have to win, and there are those who always want to be liked, and there are those who just want to be comfortable. The basis of leadership, basically, is simple. It's courage. Courage is what is required to face any challenge. So as an entrepreneur and as a leader, you have to make sure that you position yourself in situations that require you to have your courage tested once in a while. I mean, think about it. The universe likes speed. You don't have to worry. You don't have to act like you don't know. You just have to face the world the way it is. Don't doubt when there's an opportunity, and when there's that intuitive in you, just act. Simple, just act. Life is a game, and for you to play it, you have to decide on 3 things. 1, that's the rules of the game. 2, the stakes. 3, it's just quitting time. And just like in any other game, there are 3 kinds of players. The first kind of player are those who don't know what is happening. The second kind are those who match what is happening. The third kind are those who make it happen. So, which one are you? Which one am I? Take your time. Think about it. I'll wait. No, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. But you know one thing for sure, the answer is within you.